This tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to change the backgrounds of your pictures in Photoshop. And so without wasting much of our time, let's take a deep dive. In the previous video I explained or probably showed you guys the different subject selection techniques, right? And then I'm going to use the last one, and I'll just come over here, select this option, have my enhance edge box checked, right? And then select subject. Next thing I want to do right now is go on my keyboard and hit Command G on MacBook. And then if you're Windows, you hit Control G, right? And so I just hit Command G. If you look over here, you'll notice that the image has been duplicated on a plain background, or a transparent background rather, right? You can see here, up here. And so if I blind this layer here, I still have my image. But if I come over here and blind this layer and then unblind this layer, you can see that my image is on a transparent background, right? That is to say we have successfully separated our subject from the background. And so the next thing I want to do is go to the folder where I have my background saved. I'll pick a suitable background for this image and then import it into Photoshop. And so I'll come over here. This is my background. Yes, I was thinking if I should go with white or black, or probably a textured background. Let me try this and see. So I'll just drag and drop, come over here, select this here, and now to reveal our subject, right, you just need to come over here and drag this background layer beneath the subject layer, just like that. As you can see, let me try another background and see. Yeah, there's this textured background. Let me drag and drop that. Boom. Whoa, this is more suitable. I like this. So guys, it's that simple. This is how you change your backgrounds in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up so that when next I drop tutorials or videos like this, you get notified. And yes, other people who need contents like this will also get notified. Thank you so much.